So this is one of the movement in bird section. This is called bird stretching. So these elements relate to all organs or lungs. The same time related to all emotions of our sadness. Because when you sad, no good for our lungs. Let's do this movement. First, settle down yourself. Then hands, left hands on the top, right hand on knees, like a bird flying the hands, moving them up over top of your head, arm over your ears. Then use the hands, top of the hands, lead it up, flying up. Use inhale to the lungs. Hold the breath, keep stretching up. Then dropping down, exhale, let it go. Move the hands first, lead them up, flying, use inhale. Hold your breath, but the motion keep stretching. You can feel the ribs and the shoulder blade area all stretching up like a flying the bird. Exhale, let it go. Then inhale, exhale, let it go, the tension. So that's it. Just one movement is good exercise for that. Keep practice.